Every sip is a story. A sip for special occasions, for big adventures, for moments that take your breath away. It's time to open yourself up to new experiences. To pour yourself into the unknown.
You've made me more fluent in wine because of your vast knowledge.
To reawaken your senses.
That was the best ingredient hunt ever. It's beautiful. Wow.
To meet passionate trailblazers.
Why can't we just do it right?
And forge emotional connections.
Having meaningful connections, creating meaningful moments, that's when you find your purpose.
Every sip is a story.